Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Indian-style tuna sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need canned tuna, preferably packed in oil, along with some fresh vegetables like finely chopped onion, tomato, and green chili. Don't forget your essential Indian spices such as turmeric, cumin powder, and a pinch of garam masala. Fresh cilantro is also a must for that authentic flavor. Next, let's prepare the flavorful tuna filling. Begin by thoroughly draining your canned tuna to remove excess liquid, which helps prevent a soggy sandwich. Then, in a bowl, combine the flaked tuna with your finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a pinch of garam masala. Mix everything well, perhaps with a tablespoon of mayonnaise or hung curd for creaminess. Now it's time to assemble your Indian tuna sandwich. Choose your favorite bread, whether it's white, whole wheat, or multigrain. Lightly toast the bread if you prefer a crispier texture. Spread a thin layer of green chutney or butter on one side of each slice. Then, generously spoon the spiced tuna mixture onto one slice of bread, spreading it evenly to the edges. Top with the second slice of bread. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, you can lightly toast your assembled sandwich in a pan or a toaster until golden brown and warm. This creates a delightful crispiness that complements the soft filling. Once toasted, cut your sandwich into halves or quarters for easy handling and serving. This Indian-style tuna sandwich is perfect for a quick lunch or a flavorful snack. And before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.